Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri Negi. I'm an intern in Lexis & Company and you're watching LexClick. In this video, we will talk about what is patent search and what importance does it hold. We all know when we invent something, we would want to protect it, and we get the protection by registering our patent and by having our patent right on that particular invention. So before that, what is important, the first thing we'll do is do the patent search. Before applying for the patent, a patent search is the first thing that is to be done. A patent search's main purpose is to determine how different an invention is from what already exists. Like I told you earlier that your invention must be different from what already exists in the world or in the market. So therefore, you need to search for the existing patent to register your invention. So patent search provides an idea about the information available in the public domain related to the proposed invention. Patent search will help identify and compare the similar relevant patent or non-patent documents to decide about patentability of the proposed invention. So there are different types of patent search, but when we are performing with the purpose of filing patent, it is called as a patentability search. Patentability search is a search of existing patents and other available documents to find out the closest existing things of the proposed invention. This patent literatures and other available documents are preferred as prior art. Now we will talk about what are the benefits of patent search, why you need to do a patent search before filing for your patent. First, it determines the scope of patent. To register a patent, the person needs to invest time and money. To save time and money, it is advisable to conduct the patent search. Second benefit is it provides an idea to eliminate future objection. After filing a patent and the patent office examines the proposed invention for its novelty, inventive step and industrial application. This examination may found some closed prior arts of the proposed invention during the patent search in India. If the patent search is conducted, then it is easy to show technical differences in the reply against the cited prior arts. Like I told you in the trademark video as well, when you register your trademark, the examining authority examines your trademark and examines whether the similar trademark is already available in the market or not. So therefore, you need to do a patent search prior before filing for your patent registration. Then the third benefit you get is patent specification drafting gets easy. So these are the benefits of patent search, but what are the documents that are required for patent search? If you want to do a patent search, what will be the essential documents that will be needed? First, you need to have details of the applicant. Whoever is searching for that patent, you need to put all the details. Then details of the invention, you need to mention the details of your invention, whatever invention you want to search on. Then drawings, if any, for better clarity must be attached on that search. So this was all about patent search and its benefits. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next